Hello everyone and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are unboxing and reviewing the NOCPIX NS7, an advanced driver assistance system designed to keep you safe and fully aware on the road. This is the NOCPIX NS7 Dashcam. This product was provided to us by NOCPIX in exchange for a review, and this is a paid collaboration. While I truly appreciate their support for my channel, my review will remain 100% honest and unbiased, so stick around as we explore everything that this cutting-edge system has to offer. Inside the box you will find the NS7 Dashcam and all the necessary accessories and a user manual to guide you through the setup. Moving on to installation, it's surprisingly straightforward. Simply wire it up in your car and you are good to go. What's great about the dashcam is that the NOCPIX NS7 is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from sedans and SUVs to trucks and RVs. So no matter what you drive, you can enjoy its advanced features. And I personally would recommend it to truckers, as I'm myself a trucker, so I know most of the time we drive through foggy conditions, especially in isolated places. This dashcam will definitely open your eyes more and give you a longer and wider field of view for a better safety experience. The NS7 stands out for its dual technology approach, combining thermal imaging and visible light to deliver clear images up to 656 feet, even in challenging weather conditions like fog, rain, or total darkness. Essentially, it's a triple threat solution offering night vision ADAS, which refers to Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, and DVR, which is digital video recording, all in one compact device. One of the highlights of this dashcam is the self-developed R+ algorithm, which enables ultra-clear vision at a 123 by 75 degree wide angle. This wide coverage is incredibly helpful for spotting potential hazards early, making it ideal for drivers who frequently encounter winding roads, heavily trafficked areas, or low visibility conditions. The 7-inch display on the NS7 is designed to highlight animals, pedestrians, and vehicles in real time, ensuring you can react quickly and stay safe on the road. Plus, it comes with a suite of ADS functions, including forward collision warning, pedestrian collision warning, lane departure warning, wildlife collision alert, and front vehicle startup alert, giving you that extra layer of confidence during every journey. As a DVR, the NOCPIX NS7 also records your drives, offering valuable evidence in the event of an accident or dispute. It saves the footage in high quality, combining the best of both thermal and visible light imaging for clear, detailed recordings day or night. So if you are someone who frequently drives through dark rural roads, foggy mountain passes, or just wants an added level of safety in everyday city commutes, the NS7 could be a game changer for sure. Its thermal imaging helps detect hazards even before your headlights do, while its visible light camera ensures crystal clear footage under normal conditions. Overall, if you are looking for a driver assistance system that combines combines thermal imaging, advanced ADS alerts, and reliable DVR capabilities, the NOCPIX NS7 might be just the perfect fit. From easy installation to versatile compatibility, it's designed to be a comprehensive safety companion for any vehicle. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this video and this amazing product. I hope this review helped you decide whether this is the best solution for your driving needs. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and take advantage of everything that the NOCPIX NS7 has to offer. See you in the next video. Peace.